Hi, this is Clayton Crowell. I'm calling from Paramount Marketing Solutions. I just wanted to send you guys over a quick free website audit for the Guard Alliance, just showcasing Paramount's skills and services that we use, or the strategies we use in order to help rank businesses higher on Google. So I wanted to give first a quick shout out to you guys' website here at the Guard Alliance. I think you guys have a very great first homepage, which is what people are going to see most often. They're going to be scrolling through here looking for any other backlinks or links to other pages. And another great thing here is your blog. The blog is going to get reviews to your page. It's going to basically set your reputation apart from other companies on the web. So without further ado, I'm just going to get right into the 3 key strategies that Paramount uses in order to rank businesses higher on Google. The first is keywords. But within keywords, I actually want to talk about a couple of strategies Google uses in order to rank businesses, in order to determine which businesses get ranked higher than others. So Google uses these algorithms to crawl through every single website in Google at all times, every single point of the day. And they crawl through these websites looking for keywords. And these keywords determine exactly what Google is going to find you for, is what people are going to find you for. So if people are looking up security guard or guard services, security guard companies, your website should be the one popping up most often because you have these keywords associated with your website. So actually, I'll take you over quickly to a free tool that I use called SEO Quake. And SEO Quake just basically outlines the keywords that are most densely populated on your website. So here at the Guard Alliance, the highest populated keyword is security. But as we go further down, we can see that some of these keywords that are related to your website or that are being linked back to your website aren't exactly related to the services that you provide. So for instance, here, SAN, Incorporated, properties, and times down here. These are all keywords that Google is associating with the Guard Alliance, although it's not really related to the services that you provide. So in order to help optimize your website and optimize your Google search results, we'd recommend putting in keywords that are more suited to the services and the business that you provide people. So what we recommend is every 1,500 to 2,000 words, you've got one keyword every 150 words inside of that whole page of content. Inside the whole page of 1,500 to 2,000 words. That would help optimize your website in terms of keyword strategies. So the next strategy I'm going to go over with you is citations, and citations are also just as big as the content and keywords, because citations are anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number is indexed on online directories. So for example, anywhere that your business is listed in directories such as Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau, Angie's List, Yelp, etc. These help rank your business higher on the Google Map Pack, which is what we see here. So these businesses here have their website cited throughout the web higher, or they have their website cited throughout the web more densely than, say, higher than the Guard Alliance. What you see here is on the second page, ranked number 12. And I can use this here using this free tool. This is also SEO Quake. We can see here that, it went away. There it goes. The total keywords associated with your website are down here. the total keywords is associating is 118 keywords. But if we go back to the first page, let's see how many that your top competitors have. Here, American Guard Services, they're being ranked for 380 keywords. So we can see just the importance of one keywords and where they're being cited at on the web. So all in all, the more Google sees your business cited on the web, the more they see you more than your competitor, the higher they'll rank you on the Google searches. And the last key strategy I'd like to go over with you guys are backlinks. And what I'd like to stress you guys first right off the bat is that not all backlinks are created equal. Let me take you over to this tool that I use called SEMrush. SEMrush is a great tool for looking at your online traffic, how many clicks you're getting per month, but it also is a great tool for looking at backlinks. And backlinks are basically a website linking to your website via a hyperlink or any type of clickable link from their website to your website. And here's where I'm going to get into saying that not all backlinks are created equal, because say if the Guard Alliance was being backlinked to Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut is not a relevant or even an authoritative domain inside of Google when we're talking about security guard companies. Now, say if the Guard Alliance was being backlinked to Oracle Arena, the Oakland Coliseum, Paramount Theater, these are more reputable places that Google would take more seriously because of the services they provide and the services that you provide. So all in all, the more Google even sees you having more backlinks than your competitor, it sometimes doesn't even matter. It sometimes doesn't even matter how many citations you have, because they see your website being vouched for by these other websites more throughout Google than you would be, which is why it's so important to have these backlinks from reputable websites, reputable domains, in order for Google to see, okay, we can take this business a bit more seriously and put them higher up in the Google search results. So all in all, I just want to recap what I outlined in this video, and we can definitely go more into depth in a later time. But first we went over keywords, or we went over content and keyword importance within the content of your website. Secondly, we went over citations, how many times your business name, address, and phone number are indexed on online directories, and how that helps you rank higher in the Google Map Pack. And the third was backlinks. And just to recap for backlinks, think of them as an endorsement, like a voucher from another company saying this company is a reputable company, they're a reputable business. And the more that they're related to the services that you provide, the more Google will also see it as a relevant, see you as a relevant authority in your field. So I will conclude the video there, and I'd like to thank you for watching. Please feel free to reach back out to me at claytonjackson@paramountmarketing.org. I will make sure to follow up with you soon, and please have a great day. Thank you.